Hi, today we're going to look at setting up Google Tag Manager for your website. Now, I'm going to take you through step-by-step process on how to do this. So what I recommend is you do that is you watch the video right to the end, then come back and play it again, but this time you pause it and complete each of the stages yourself. And by the end, you will have set up your own tag manager for your website. So let's begin. So I've logged into my own Google Tag Manager account here. If you've never done this before, one of the other videos that we offer will show you how to create an account. So let's begin. So quite simply, click Create Account button, and we'll just work through the wizard here. So I'm going to set this up for a client, and this client is actually called TC Det Solutions. They're based in the UK, and I'm not going to share the data with Google, so we'll move on. Now it's actually asking me now for the website, so this website address will be all the W's, tcdetsolutions.com, and as it's going to be a website, we'll select a web container. Create. So this is a standard Google T's and C's at this point in time, and it's going to ask me to tick the bottom before I hit yes, and that is how easy it is to get to the first stage of setting up a container in Tag Manager. So what has happened now is Google has actually prompted me with the code here and here, which needs to go on the website. So I've already logged into this website, and you can see it says paste the code as high in the head of the page as possible. So I'm going to select that, do a Control-C shortcut. Now I've actually logged into the website CMS. In this case it's Umbraco CMS. And one of the options is for a website within configurations, the global settings scripts. If I paste that into the header, basically this will now be placed in the header of every page on the website. We'll flick back, and then it's given us extra code which you need to paste after the opening body. So take that, go back here, and again, the wonderful thing about Umbraco is the way this system has been coded, it actually gives you the various sections. So I'll just paste that in there. When I save and publish that, that's that done. That is me now integrated Google Tag Manager into this website and every page of this website. This particular code here is this GTM code, Google Tag Manager code, which ends in 6RM. So if I now look at this website, which is still being built, I've just refreshed it there. If I now look at the source code of this, we will see, if I scroll down, that there is a Google Tag Manager code now on this website, and there it is, 6RM, and it's in the header section. Now, I did copy the code into the body section, and here we start the body, and once again that code has been put in here, and it ends in 6RM. So that is how easy it is to apply Google Tag Manager to a website. But we're going to get a bit more detailed than that, because what we want to do is add Google Analytics for this website, so that Tag Manager actually puts all the data about your website visitors into Google Analytics. Now, in this case, I've already set up a Google Analytics account. Again, if you haven't done this, you can find that out in one of our other videos. As you can see here, the Google Analytics, has already been set up. TC Det Solutions. But the bit I'm interested in at this point in time is this unique tracking ID. That is the actual tracking ID for Google Analytics, and that's what we'll need in Google Tag Manager. So what I'm going to do now, and this is a bit of a bonus information for you, we're going to set up a first variable, and that is actually for that ID I just showed you. So I'm going to call this GA for Google Analytics tracking ID, there we are, and we're going to call this a constant because that ID will never change. And basically I'm looking for that ID to get in here, so let's just quickly flip back. I'm going to select this, copy it, come back, paste, and that, once I hit save, basically now we can see we've created a tracking ID variable within Google Tag Manager for our Analytics ID. I'll just click on it, and there we can see that. So now I want to get that into Tag Manager so that Tag Manager will place that on our website and on every page on the website. So quite simply, I've selected tags, I click a new tag, I'm going to just simply call this Google Analytics. Our tag configuration is Google Analytics, and we want to pick the Universal Analytics, which is the latest version at this point in time. So select that. The track type is page view, because that means every time the page on our website has been loaded, it will activate Google Analytics. Select a variable. Right, so the variable we want is the one we've just set up, Google Analytics GA tracking ID. Let me just call that GA settings, and I'll save that. So we're back here. Triggering all pages. As I said, what we want to do is when someone visits any page on our website, it will activate this. Save. So that's us now created a new tag for Google Analytics. It's for Google Analytics, a universal version. It will fire on every page on our website using that ID that we set up. And if I hit submit here, I won't bother putting in any settings. Just check GA settings, tracking ID, it's that. I'm happy with that. I hit publish. You could normally put in a description here as to what this you updated, but let's do that. Google Analytics. That has now added Google Analytics through Tag Manager to the website. That is us now got Google Tag Manager on the website. We've also got Google Analytics being executed through Tag Manager for that website. And that was how simple it was. So, thank you for watching right to the end. As I said previously, go back to the start, watch the video, pausing at the right points as you do this yourself. And if you have completed each of these steps, step by step, then basically you will have achieved the result of getting Tag Manager onto your website. Thank you.